Start with 2 spring onion, $250 grams of white onions, 3 garlic cloves, 20 grams of ginger, 250 grams of green and red bell peppers, 250 grams of silverside beef, to marinate the beef, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, splash of water, and 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well. Marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water. Stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves. 3 tablespoons of regular cooking oil into a medium heat pan. Brown off the ginger. Once the ginger is slightly brown like so, discard the ginger. In with our marinated beef. Keep turning until the beef is around 80% cooked and set it aside. 2 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. In with our onions and the rest of the garlic. In with the rest of our green and red peppers. Splash of Shaoxing wine. Return the beef. In with the rest of the spring onion. Stir the sauce well. In with the rest of the sauce that we made earlier. Then for the final ingredients, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, And once the sauce is thickened, we are done.